Hi everybody, it's Therese. I am back with a swap that I did with Creating with Aloha, Cherie, here on YouTube, and I'll link her down below, for everybody to check her out. She's a sweet, sweet girl, and she is from Hawaii. Oh my gosh, Cherie, what did you send? So I met Cherie over at Tina's Happy Mail live feed, and when she came on and her YouTube said Creating with Aloha, I got to chatting with her. So we agreed to do a mini pocket letter swap together, and I told her, take your time, girl, because I was going through a lot. So I wanted to share what she sent me. Oh my gosh. Cheers. So she hooked me up with some arare. I love these things. These are awesome. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh, and then she hooked me up with some sweet candied popcorn. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, this must be her thing. So let me show you. Oh, here's a card. Let me do the card. Oh my gosh. Cherie, thank you. Oh no, you're going to make me cry. She sent me a sympathy card. Oh, look at that. With deepest sympathy. Oh. Thank you, Cherie. That was very nice of you. So, let me stop right here because there's lots more goodies in here, and I want to share her, oh my god. Oh my god, I love this bag. How did you do this, Cherie? Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me share. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You are crazy. Oh my goodness. She made me a mini. Oh my god, look how cute this is. She made me a mini, a mini bag, a mini loaded bag. Holy moly. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Oh, look how cool is her mini, pocket letter. Oh my gosh, Cherie, this is so adorable. Oh, these are so cute. I don't know where mine is. I have some of these. I don't know where they are. Oh my gosh, look at her pocket. I love it, Cherie. Oh my god. I love it. And look at all the enamel dots she used down here. I love it says hello friend. Oh my gosh, and look at how she decorated it. Oh my gosh. I love it, Cherie. So in the back, I'm so excited. Oh, look at her altered. Oh, I love your tags. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So this is her mini pocket letter. How cute. That is so cool. I wish I did mine like that. So thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Cherie, look at this. Isn't this adorable? She made a paper clip from a butterfly. Oh my god, I don't know where to start. She gave me some sequins. How sweet. These are cute. I never got these. I don't know where you got these, actually. Did you get these from Target? Or did you get this at Ben Franklin's? Oh my gosh. Look at this paper clip. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, Cherie, I love it. Oh my god, I love these little felt pieces. Wow. And here's some little felt grass. Is that part of the back? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is from Target. I know that. But I never got these. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Oh my god. Look at these little die-cut carrots. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh, what happened? Okay, hold on. Oh, I love, oh, these are cute carrots. And this thing is so adorable. What happened here? I bet this does not go together, because that don't look right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, what happened here? Something happened. Oh no. What happened? I hate when you have it all packaged up so pretty. And look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love that, Cherie. That is so cute. I love that dye you used. I love all that. And the button. That is so pretty. This feels different. Oh, I love that. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I think I have some of these. I don't know where I put them. Oh, look how cute this little bunny ears. Look how cute. Oh my god, that is adorable. And then she made me another paper clip. That's adorable. I love it. I love these paper clips. She gave me a flower pick. Cute. Love it. And she put, oh my gosh, she put all kinds of goodies in here. Oh my gosh. You hooked me up. And look at the back, guys. Look at that. Isn't that the sweetest bunny? Oh my gosh. So she got me, I did not see these at, I think this is from Target. I did not see these, so these are cool. She gave me some purple and pink doilies. Thank you, Cherie. Oh my god, girl. You went above and beyond. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was our swap. And of course, she hooked the girl with some goodies. And she sent me some Maui caramel. Oh my god, I gotta hide this from my husband. He'll devour it. Oh, look at these. Oh, these. I love these. I love them all, actually. Oh my god, she gave me some macadamia nut, onion, and garlic flavor. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Watering. Look at the toffee mix. Oh my gosh, Cherie. Oh, green tea. Oh, I gotta try that. That sounds delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh. What is this? Oh, you're going to have to tell me what these are. Annatto seeds? I bet this, I don't remember what this is. Is this lihi mui, seeds? Oh, you're going to have to tell me. Oh my god, that looks good. Oh my gosh, girl. Oh my lumpia. Lumpia mix. Oh my god, I'm going to have to try this out. Oh man. I might have to try. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to try this out, Cherie. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I gotta try that. Oh my goodness. What did you buy me? What is this? Oh. It's a big slipper. Let me. I gotta open it up. It's causing a commotion here. Oh my god. Oh my God! That is adorable! Oh my God! Alright, this is going on my bed. I'm gonna hug it. You know, I'm gonna hug it for a while because, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Cherie. Sorry for the crinkling. I'm so sorry. I know when you have the volume up loud and you hear that crinkling, it does, you know, hurt your ears, and I'm so sorry, guys. But oh my gosh, Cherie, thank you. Thank you so, so much. I hope you like what I created for you. I did not send as many goodies. You know, you're lucky you live Hawaii and have these wonderful treats. OMG. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And what happened to my card? Dang it. Where did my card go? And thank you so much for my sympathy card. Maybe I'll go more into it. Well, I don't know. Nobody wants to know all that crap. But thank you so much. I appreciate your friendship, and there are some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. I've met so many wonderful, caring, talented women, and I'll link her down below because you really got to go check her out. She's awesome. She hooked me up. My God, I can't believe it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. I will be gone for a little bit. Hopefully I'll be back next week. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.